We're playing random games. So first, what are we gonna play? Bro, what the? Okay. Pew pew. This game is good, by the way. The title is not, but I got the best block. I grinded for 1 day. Yeah, only 1 day, and I got already the best block. Wait, blocks. Wait, they updated it? Ah, wait, no, those are the guns. I still have the best block. Yes. I still have the best block. Okay, game. Okay. Bro, I'm supposed to be blue. Okay, we gotta go down here and then shoot at the bottom so their tower will fall and they will die. Oh my gosh, no, my tower's gonna fall. Oh yes, he's gonna die. He's for sure gonna die, and he survived. How did he survive? Okay. Yeah, that guy's cheating for sure. That guy's cheating. Gotta shoot at the tallest tower now. This guy. Bro, he's so tall. Or is it C? Wait, there's two people. No. Oh no, my tower. I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh, I survived. Oh, we both survived. Yes, red one. But I'm supposed to be blue. Oh, 2-win streak. I didn't see that. Jeez. Classic. I got the best block in the game. Yes. Oh, game. Okay. We gotta go. I almost died. Oh no. I gotta go down here. Oh no, I think I'm cooked. Cooked. Oh, he's dying. Oh my gosh. No, bro. No, wait. Oh my gosh. How did we survive that? No, I didn't see that. No. Wait, can I do the jackpot spin? No. Bro, that was so close. What's this? Bro. I spent all of my Robux in this game, chat. I have only 4 Robux. I don't have 14 anymore. I wasted 10 Robux. Okay, we gotta go down so we don't die. Para pa! Oh no! Why, bro? No! Okay, we're playing another game. Okay. Yeah, let's go to Slime RNG. Don't mind why my backpack has my 400 billions are gone, because I just sacrificed them for 1 trillion, and it was 16% chance for the big Sunny to spawn, and then that's the 1 trillion. I really wanted it, and then I got so unlucky, and then I just got the normal Sunny, and yeah, they're gone. Yeah. Is this the best? I mean swamp, by the way, it's new. Oh wait there! Oh! Bro, only noob! Only Halo, bro! Bro, I want new update. Wait, what date is today? 11, June 14 is the, yeah. June 14 is the one. June 14 is the update. There we go. Yeah, we're leaving. Don't even have to do anything here. Bro! Why did it rejoin? Why did it rejoin, bro? Blip, 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 blip. No! Leave, bro. Leave. Yes, finally. X. Bro! Simply walk around it now. I don't wanna do that. Should we play Super Tag or Dig Out of Jail? Okay, Dig Out of Jail. It's more fun. Bro! It's not working! There we go. Okay. I don't think anybody will join my I don't think anybody will join to me. Oh wait, there's somebody, yes! 3 out of 4, let's go! One more person, then it's good now. It's okay if it's 3 out of 4 only. I bet they will leave. Yeah, they're definitely leaving. After like in day 2 or something, they'll leave instantly. Maybe because of the prisoners. That's why. The prisoner that attacked us, yeah. But one my first time playing, yeah, one person didn't leave. He was there, and then, but because he was so freaking noob, he did not know how to eat, and he was learning how to mine. Bro, skip. Where's the skip? There we go, skip. And yeah, so I just leave because he was too noob. Bro, remove this. Bro, you don't know the tutorial or something? Bro, how do you remove this? Okay, yeah, we're mining. We can't even mine, bro. Oh, there we go, thank you. I always like to mine in this exact specific corner. Oh, wait, we already got something. Wait, what's that? It's a rare! My first ever rare, bro! My first ever rares! Finally! Cool, nice. Bro, I can't even go deeper. I'm just gonna get stuck. Bro, I don't want to buy! Okay, I guess I need to eat cause my stamina. Bro, why can't I eat? There we go. Oh, there's something. Bro! Free time, what's our free time? Oh, stop doing that, God Twanket. You're not a god, bro. Okay, we got, how many money do I have? Okay, nothing to see here. There's definitely something. Bro, stop rolling the carpet. We need to mine. Oh, nice. Oh, there's a rubber ducky. We gotta make the hole bigger. Oh, there's something. Oh, there's a what? My second ever there. Ah, there's so much things. Oh, even iron. Okay, we gotta get out. Gotta make some changes to the walls so I can get out. Bro, it fell, the rubber ducky. Bro, I'm stuck. Bro, how can I go out? How can I go out? I need to get out of here. I need to get out of here. Help me. Please help me. Help me. Oh, yes. Roll the carpet, roll the carpet. Okay, finally. Bro ate all of the food. Are you freaking kidding me? Bro! That's only for stamina. Look, I don't even have stamina to even mine. And then bro just literally ate all the food even though he has 100 out of 100 stamina. Bro is so dumb. Hello, guard. Hello. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna eat all of the food. They ate all of the food. I'm eating all of the food now. Thank you. That's the... It's called revenge. It's called revenge. Sorry. You stole all of my food and I almost got literally stuck, bro. It's called revenge. Wait, that's a lot of things. Bro, we gotta get out again. Bro, how do I skip this intro, bro? I hate things like that. Yes, I'm out. I ate all of the food, LOL. Okay, we gotta mine for more ores. Okay, now we got 6 out of 6. Bro, don't go in my hole! Gotta get out, gotta get out. Wait, this is not my hole. Bro, that was not my hole the whole entire time. I'm so dumb. Sorry, bro. Except free for me. How much money do we have? 200? Nice. Can buy more things. Okay, since that's not my hole, I'm going to my hole. Bro, this is my hole. Like, actually, this is my hole, bro. What are you doing in here? Oh wait, there's 6 meters. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. Activate checkpoint. Bro, this freaking skeleton, bro. Wait, $0. It's $0. Don't get that. $60. Wait, how much is this? $60, bro. Wait. Yes. Yes, bro. Yes. So how do I get up here? Bro, I died. Bro, I never met this guy. I never died in this game. Bro, I was trying to get outside. And bro, how did the guard get in there? I was in my cell. What do you want me to do? Free revive? Guard is coming. Oh no. It's a drunk guard. I never met this guy before. Defeat the fox guard. Who's a fox guard? Just kill him. Kill this guy. Kill this guy, bro. Kill this guy. I'm dying. We gotta kill this guy solo. They left me. My friends left me. That was close. Yeah, that was very close. Okay. Oh my gosh, my items are back. I'm so dumb. There was a return to surface, bro. Are you kidding me? Bro, 800! That is so much, bro. Bro, I am not hungry at all. That guard is coming. Hey, hello guard. Where are you, guard? Where are you? Can I lockpick this? Can I lockpick this? No, we can't lockpick this. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Welcome, Comet. What? B25646. Bro, what? Cut by guard outside. I see. Yeah, I know. Because I am a noob. Next back. Yeah. I was waiting for the guard, bro. We're playing another game. Right, play it again. Kaya ano eh. Okay, chat. Bruh. Wait, let me back. Okay. So what are we playing? What did we get? Oh. Yeah. I love this game. Here's that. I think I got like 20 wins. That's from I remember yesterday. And yeah, 44, I won't reach that. I got 20, bro. I can't see anything. Bro, why can't I see anything? I can't see anything, chat. Oh wait, there's survivors, but I can't see anything. She's trying to drop kick, or you get flamed. Wait, no, that's not the one. Oh, wait a minute. Boom, boom. No. Can do walk around it. Okay, high school. Bro, I don't want to go back to school. Why do I need to go here again? And what time is it? So it is 1... Oh, wait. 5, 10, 15. Okay, so it's 1:15. That is very late. I'm late, but there's absolutely no people, so I guess I'm early. Bro, where's the teacher? Where's the teacher? In school, I was like, this is where I sit. Yeah, I'm like so near to the teacher. Hello, teacher. Oh no, we gotta go to the volcano. What do you mean get away from the volcano? I'm definitely going there. I'm definitely going there, chat. Bam! No! I almost died. No, 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 no. We can't die, we can't die, we can't die, we can't die. I guess this is hello? And yeah, there's just a hacker that cannot die. And I died, bro. Are you kidding me? Okay, yeah, we're playing another game. It takes like 3 minutes. Why did it rejoin, bro? Okay, there we go. Okay, so should we play? Jump to become sniper, bro. There's nothing to play. Evade? Should I play evade? Fine, I'm gonna play evade. Since there's nothing at all to play, bruh. Just gonna play evade. If I actually did not die and I actually win, that's the craziest thing ever, bro. Claim. Intermission. So where do I go? I'm getting closer to the enemy though. Okay, I guess I'm just staying over here. Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna follow him. Where did he just go? Okay, I lost track of everybody. I know that's somebody. Wait, I got to follow them. Oh my gosh. Okay, where are you going? I'm gonna follow you. Where are you going? I wanna know where the next bots are. And now there are 2 people. Okay, they got separated. Oh, exit na. No, I don't want to go there. That's very sus. Oh! Okay, there's the next bots. So we're safe. Oh no, I gotta save them. Cause they're gonna die, bro. I gotta save them. Okay, let me just lock in. No! How did I die? I did not. Bro! What the heck? And yeah, there's a guy that wants to kill me. Help me, please. I became a pumpkin. Please help me. I'm dying. I became a pumpkin. Thank you so much. I'm not going near the next bots again. Okay. Oh. No. Bro! Yeah, I'm definitely not say it's definitely not saying win. It's definitely gonna say lose. And yeah, Joe died 2 times just like me, bruh. Should I save him? Oh my gosh! Oh wait, this might be a good idea. No. It's not a good idea. It's not a good idea. No, it's not a good idea. Bruh, we died. Okay, what can we buy in the shop though? Equipment. Oh, I really want grapple in my main. I got grapple, bruh. Usables. How about usables? What's this do? Ooh! Okay, we're buying a lot of these. Oh, barrier, I really want that. And yeah, we don't have money anymore. We only got 3 wins, bro. In my main, I got 100. Okay, bye guys.